Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips on how to prepare the best food for your 5-month-old baby. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell with all notifications. As your little one transitions to solid foods, it's crucial to provide them with nutritious and age-appropriate meals. So, let's dive right in and discover the secrets to creating delicious and healthy meals for your precious bundle of joy. Before we begin, it's important to note that every baby is different, and it's essential to consult with your pediatrician before introducing solid foods. With that said, let's explore the world of baby food. At 5 months old, your baby is ready to explore new tastes and textures beyond breast milk or formula. One of the first foods to introduce is rice cereal. Rice cereal is a great option as it's easily digestible and gentle on your baby's tummy. Start by mixing a small amount of rice cereal with breast milk or formula to create a thin, smooth consistency. Gradually increase the thickness as your baby gets accustomed to the texture. As your baby becomes comfortable with rice cereal, it's time to expand their palate. Introduce pureed fruits and vegetables. Opt for soft and easily mashable options such as bananas, apples, pears, sweet potatoes, and carrots. Peel, chop, and steam or boil them until they are tender. Then, blend or mash them into a smooth texture. Remember to introduce new foods one at a time and observe for any signs of allergies or sensitivities. It's crucial to ensure that your baby receives a balanced diet with a variety of nutrients. As your baby grows, you can introduce protein-rich foods like mashed beans, lentils, or well-cooked ground chicken or turkey. These provide essential amino acids for their developing muscles and overall growth. When preparing baby food, it's essential to maintain hygiene and food safety. Always wash your hands thoroughly before handling food and ensure that all utensils and surfaces are clean. Use fresh ingredients and avoid adding any salt, sugar, or artificial seasonings. Your baby's taste buds are still developing, and it's best to let them experience the natural flavors of food. As your baby becomes more comfortable with solids, you can gradually introduce a wider range of textures. Offer soft, mashed, and minced foods to encourage them to chew. This will help develop their oral motor skills and prepare them for a broader range of foods in the future. Now that you have a good understanding of how to prepare the best food for your 5-month-old baby, it's time to put it into action. Remember, this stage is an exciting and exploratory time for your little one. So embrace the mess and let them enjoy their food at their own pace. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.